Our project topic is breast cancer classification using machine learning. Our project guide is Dr. J.C. Prasad. The members are Gayatri S., Hridya Soman, and Fatima Shirin. Breast cancer is one of the most prevalent cancer occurring among women. It has accounted as out of 10 women taken randomly, 2 are diagnosed with the cancer. And this is the survey that shows breast cancer occurrence in India, and it is plotted against the age. Breast cancer symptoms are a firm or hard lump in the breast, a lump in the ambient, changes in the shape and the size of the breast. Late symptoms are double version, etc. Tests for diagnosing breast cancer are mammogram. Mammogram is an X-ray picture of the breast cancer. Doctor use a mammogram to look for early signs of breast cancer. Core needle biopsy is a medical test to remove a piece of a tissue from a mass. The tissue is then tested to find out what it is. A core needle biopsy can remove more tissue than fine needle biopsy, and ultrasound guided needle biopsy is a medical test used to learn more about a lesion or mass. Types of cancer: benign and malignant. Benign means they are non-cancerous and the cells are closed, normal in appearance. They grow slowly. Where malignant, they are numerous and cancerous. Left unchecked, malignant cells are eventually beyond spread. Deep learning is an artificial intelligence function that imitates the working of the human brain in processing data and creating patterns for use in decision making. In deep learning, each level learns to transform its input data into slightly more abstract and composite representation. Libraries used: Keras is a neural network library, while TensorFlow is an open source library for a number of various tasks in machine learning. TensorFlow provides both high-level APIs, while Keras provides only high-level APIs. Keras is built in Python, which make it way more user-friendly than TensorFlow.
Histology samples. Here the positive one represents the presence of IDC and negative represents the absence of IDC. The classification algorithm we are using here is convolution neural network. It is a variant of neural network in deep learning that is mainly used for analyzing visual images. The hidden layer mainly consists of convolution layers, normalization layers, coding layers, and fully connected layer. The application of CNN include face recognition, maze classification, and action recognition. This represents the performance indices that is obtained after the evaluation of network. Precision, recall, F1 score, support represent each of the performance indices. Accuracy here we have got is 0.85, sensitivity is 0.88, specificity is 0.80, and accuracy is quite satisfying here. The plot shows the validation accuracy, train accuracy, validation loss, and train loss across each of the 40 epochs that we have set. Precision is the degree of correctness for determining the positive outcomes. F1 score is the weighted average of recall and precision. Recall is the effectiveness of determining the positive outcomes. Accuracy is the measure of correct predictions in correspondence with the wrong ones. Specificity is related to the negative outcomes. This is the main output that we are getting after the classification. Here we have got a set of images which are classified as negative samples as well as positive samples. Negative samples are represented in green and positive in red. Positive images have darker patches when compared to the negative ones. The output is obtained using the OpenCV. Breast cancer is one of the most common cancer among women globally. Risk factors of breast cancer include increasing age, inherited gene, etc. In the current scenario of COVID-19, early and timely diagnosis is highly crucial. Latest technology could be used to derive effective algorithm for the timely diagnosis of the cancer. Thank you.